we're going to make a standing double crochet to start a row in a new colour. To start, we're going to make our slip knot. Just push that through, making sure that our working end is the end that slides. Pop that on our hook, and we're going to make it snug but not too tight. We don't want this too tight here, so we need a little bit of movement around there. Then we're going to bring in what we're going to attach to. So this is some rows of double crochet, and we're just going to do it through the 2 loops that are here, which is how we would normally do it. So we have our yarn on our hook, insert the hook into the strands there, underneath 2 strands, which is how I would normally do it anyway. So we're going to go under 2 strands, yarn over, pull through, and then yarn over and pull through the 2. Dead simple way to start a double crochet row with a double crochet stitch. I'll do it again. So we start off with our slip knot on our hook, we insert into the stitch or wherever we're going, yarn over, pull it through, just ignore that end, it'll just drop down. Or if you want to carry it along, you can carry it along so that you can weave it in as you go. That's up to you. But then we just yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. Very easy way. Double crochets. That's UK terms.